Hi there guys, we'll be doing a pack opening today. We'll be opening 7 packs and 3 packs will be kept for Mate Plays. 1 pack will be kept for the Swee Collector. Here are the packs, unopened packs, Match Attacks, EPL. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 packs of them. We have 2 World Stars packs and a pack of Champions League unopened pack. Yeah. So we'll start off with the Champions League cards. See if we can pull anything decent from them. There he is, the main man himself, Fraser Forster, fantastic goalkeeper, world class, the best keeper in the world I believe, Manuel Neuer. And we have a game changer there in 1 pack, a 1 pack opening, Marco Reus, game changer, absolutely epic pull. That was an absolutely epic pack there. It was the last pack from the shop in Tesco in Shettleston in Glasgow. Last pack sitting in the box and it had a game changer, unbelievable. We have a pack of Match Attacks EPL next, then 1 pack of Match Attacks World Stars, and we'll be back with a part 2 of this video with the rest of the packs. And as I mentioned, 1 pack will be kept for the Swee Collector and 3 packs will be kept for Mate Plays, and I will be taking